In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your phone or your mobile phone or smartphone to your TV to view or see your pictures, your files, your videos, even listen to your musics on your TV. Unlock your phone and connect the USB cable. Drag from top to bottom. Here you see the USB option. Click on it. And here you see a bunch of options. USB settings. Under USB settings you have USB controlled by, connected device, this device, and use USB for transferring files, Android Auto, or USB tethering, MIDI, transferring images, and finally charging phone only. To see your files, your images, pictures, videos, and etc. on your TV, you need to change this to transferring files, and then of course you need to authenticate. On my TV, it jumped automatically to this page or to this screen, but on your TV it might be different. But first, it is important that you connect the USB cable to the correct USB port, because on my TV I have two USB ports, one here and the other one at the bottom of the TV. And for file transfer or for showing or displaying the files, only the USB port at the bottom works, and this one works only for the charging and nothing else. In your case, if it is still in the home page, go to the sources. You might have the source button on your TV. If you have the source button like I have here the source button, so if I click on this, it takes me to the sources. But if you don't have the source button, you can go via the menu. On Philips TV, that one is the source icon, and if you click on that, you are on the source page. And here you have satellite, antenna, streaming, screen mirroring, USB, network, HDMI computer, HDMI again. But our goal is to go to the USB, so click on the USB. Here you see USB devices, media server. Click this button to go to the right, this one, and click OK. Now you are inside your phone. This is the storage. Click on it, and now here you have all the folders in your phone. You can go to the music, you can go to the pictures, view some pictures, you can go to the download. This is the music, but I am not going to play because of the copyright issue. But you can play all your music, your videos, your pictures. For example, this is a picture of a beautiful house. So this is how you can connect your phone to your TV to watch your videos, to see your pictures, to play your music, and do whatever you want. I hope it was useful. Thanks for watching. We have published many helpful, useful courses, tutorials, tips, tricks, and hacks that can help you with your career, with your studies, and with your everyday life. So check out our channel and watch also our other videos. Take care and have a beautiful time.